What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Hit subscribe. Do it now. It's almost Wicked Big Meet time. I went last year for the fun of it, to do some autocross and things like that. This year, I'm going purely for marketing. We're gonna go get a counter steer garage livery done. It'll be simple, just some lettering and things like that. But hopefully it will be a hit at Wicked Big Meet, and we'll get a few followers. Still trying to reach that 1,000 mark, so you know, every little bit helps. If you want to hit that button, it's free. Look at it. That's pretty cool. Quick video today. Not much to show you. He stuck a sticker on my car and then we're done. So that's it. Because I want you to go and enjoy your Taco Tuesday. Go get yourself some good tacos. Not Taco Bell, not Moe's, not Chipotle. That's trash. Because it is, in fact, Taco Tuesday. And I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.